Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, where we share the latest trends in artificial intelligence with you. Am I the only one that didn't know ChatGPT can do so much more than just chat? Prepare to be amazed. ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, is like having a super smart friend who knows everything. It can write essays, solve math problems, code, and even help you create lists for grocery shopping or packing. Need a philosophical chat or some productivity hacks? ChatGPT's got your back. But why does it matter? This AI powerhouse makes complex tasks simpler, saving you time and brain power. Privacy concerns? No worries. OpenAI lets you turn off chat history, ensuring your data stays private. So, whether you're a student, a coder, or just someone looking to get things done efficiently, ChatGPT is a game changer. Dive in and let the AI magic unfold. Stay curious, stay productive, and let ChatGPT be your digital sidekick. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.